Hi, my name is Sonsugochukwu Alfred, and folks call me the Online Millionaire because I teach people how to make money using the internet. And if you're coming to my channel for the very first time, please, I want you to help my channel grow by hitting the subscriber button and then proceed to turn off the notification so that I can get other wonderful videos like this one from me from time to time, and also ensure to smash that like button so that the algorithm of YouTube will understand that this is a very valuable video. That way it can show it to more and more persons so they can also benefit just as you are benefiting. Alright, today I want to take you to a platform, alright, an affiliate platform and a job processing platform called Owodaily.com. This a Nigerian company. It's an independent affiliate program that you can also use to make some money for yourself. So let me not bore you with all the details. This is the registration page. Once you type Owodaily.com, this is where you will arrive. Okay, so to become a member, you can click here, but it will just bring you to this place. So now I've filled out my details. If you look at this place, my name, my email, so I would like to change this email because I have a specific email that I use for affiliates. So I've changed this particular email, and here you have my username and all that, just my normal details that you have, then my bank account, my name. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is to hit submit and complete registration. So I hit the button to submit and complete registration. So also, very importantly, ensure your name is not too long, all right, and add 234 to your number when you are filling so that you won't have issues submitting this form. So you see processed. So we are here now to log into the members area. Okay, so this is the member login page. So I'll be posting these videos, then I'll be logging into the members area, then I'll show you. Alright, now I just typed my password and we're about to log into the members area. Just type my password and my email. So I'm gonna hit the login button to launch us into the members login area. That's our dashboard. So we'll have to go to the email to activate the account now. So I'm gonna pause this, so we'll go to the email for me to activate it. Okay, so if you look at this place, you see that the email that they sent to me, it didn't come directly into my inbox, so it came to my spam box. So another thing I can do is to whitelist. But in your own case, if you don't find it in the inbox or update, you just come to your spam box here and click to verify the account. So all I need to do is just to click here and say verify, confirm my account. Now close it and don't save passwords here anytime. So I've clicked to confirm it. Now I'm going to enter my password. So let me pause this. I enter my password and come. Alright, so now I've entered my password and email, right? So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to hit the login button. So it takes me straight to my dashboard. So you can see it how you could start earning on Owodaily. Don't save this anytime, so I'll say never. Owodaily network today. Alright, so this is the platform. You can enter your credit card, Flutter credit card, local card payment, or whatever for you to receive payment. So you can sign up for membership that is normal regular membership for 3,000, you can also sign up for Owodaily for 13,000. Regular membership, you can use the platform, do jobs and get paid. Okay, so it says here, with a lifetime membership, you can join thousands already on Owodaily network to earn working from home or anywhere of your choice with an internet enabled device. Owodaily project aims to provide legitimate means, to work from home for individuals, especially those with an interest in digital and affiliate marketing. Here are some of the peaks of activating your lifetime membership today. Here are some of the perks of activating your lifetime membership today. So when you activate your lifetime membership, you get access to thousands of workers. You have full access to their digital academy. You have access to unlimited digital jobs. You have opportunity to earn as a network affiliate. You have access to 24/7 professional online support and member benefit. To get started, you also need to complete payment for your one-time membership fee of 3,000 naira, which grants you lifetime access to exclusive offers on the Owodaily network. If you wish to get Owodaily to promote affiliate offers for commissions and cash load, click Owodaily below. So you can decide what you want. So this dashboard, you can check the dashboard to see what's up. This is a social site as well. It's also a place where you can do business and do a whole lot of stuff. So you can also bring your own jobs or bring your stuff to sell and have people also work on your own job where you pay them a specified amount. So if you want to join the affiliate program, fine, you can also come here and click on the affiliate program to find out how it goes. If you also want to, if not for any other thing, if not for any other reason at all, the academy alone is worth everything. So even if it's this academy that you are paying just for 3,000 naira, is worth everything. So once you pay, you have access to all of this. So from here for now, it's gonna be goodbye till I come your way next time. I remain Alfred, and folks call me the Online Millionaire because I teach people how to make money using the internet.